What's up everyone? Welcome back to another tooltip video. In today's video, I will show you how you can collect files from your participants. Let's jump right in. If you want to collect any type of files from your participants, may that be a picture or a PDF or a Word document, you will need to drag and drop the upload file content element onto any of the pages of your project. And that is how simple it is. Now your participants can drag and drop files into this tab, or just click on it and then choose one of the files from their desktop. Now, a question we get very often is how the storage works. If you click on your name at the top right corner of your screen, you will see that there is a tab that says storage. Here you can see how much storage you have in your InvolveMe account. This storage is for all of your projects, not just one of them. So what things in InvolveMe count toward your storage? The only thing that takes up your storage is any type of files that are uploaded by your participants. The storage doesn't include any images you upload to your projects or your response or submission number. You can find the submission limit per month in the tab below, and that resets every single month. The storage does not reset every single month. It's just an overall storage year-round for your entire account. So how do you view the files that have been uploaded? All you have to do is go into the analytics of the project that you set this up for, and you can find your files underneath responses. Once you're in responses, you can click on each individual response, and in there you will find the files that have been uploaded by your participants. So what happens if your storage is full and you want to free up some space? There are 4 ways you can free up some space in your storage. The first thing you can do is delete the entire project that has a bunch of files that are taking up space in your storage. To do that, just click on the downward arrow on the project and click on Delete Project. The second way to free up storage is to delete certain responses. For this, you will need to go into the analytics of one of your projects, and underneath responses, you can see that each response has a little trash bin next to it. You just need to click that and then press delete. However, this will also delete any of the information that they left on this project. The third way to free up storage is to reset analytics. So just scroll down on the page and click on Reset Analytics. Then you just have to press Confirm Reset. But once again, this also deletes any other data that they filled out. The last way you can free up some space in your storage is to simply go to the project and go into the editor. And all you need to do is delete that question where people uploaded their files. So just click on the X and press delete. And then any response that they left for that question will be immediately deleted from your project. So any other data that they left will still be there, but the files that they uploaded will disappear because you deleted this question. So those are the 4 ways to free up storage in your account. If you want to get 2 months for free on any of the paid plans, then go check out our discount code, which is linked in the description below. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we post a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye!